Linjani izulu kaNdaba namhlanje silenhlanhla enkulu kakhulu ngoba silomama lapha-ke uPrecious Sibalo. uPrecious Sibalo ngumuntu elingeke acabanga ukuthi ngenze enye into enjengokuthi ungene kundizamtshina utshayele indizamtshina. Siyakwazi ukuthi abanye abantu phela bacabanga ukuthi omama ngabantu okumele ngabahlakula ngikhaya, ngabantu abahlala ekhitshini, ngabantu abenza izinto ezinjalo. Precious, sawubona mama.
Sawubona bhuti, wena njani?
Ngiyaphila, kunjani?
Ngiyajabula ukuba lana, what an honor.
Hayi, siyajabula lathi ukuthi sikuthole mama. So akusitshele sizokuthiwa-ke utshayela indizamtshina, kodwa-ke singangeni kulokho sike sizwe ngawo ukuthi uPrecious ngubani.
nguPrecious Sibalo okhulele koBulawayo, ezalwe koBulawayo, abazali bami bengabe Plumtree, Konyabane, duze la koKungubo, duze la koMasendu ngoba zithu inyabane. So le yethu iseduze la koMasendu, isigaba sakoMasendu, yes. So nginguPrecious, ngifunde eMhali lapha eBulawayo. Actually ngiqale koKungubo grade 1 ngase ngitransfer koKungubo lapha duze la koNyabane grade 1 wami, ngase ngitransfer ngaye eMhali, ngase ngisiya eMthabezi high school for high school. This is Precious. Yes.
Ngiyabona ukuthi silo wawulandela unyawo lwami ngoba ngangisemhali ngase ngisiya eMthabezi mission. So
wow, legends are from there.
Ngiyabona. So akusitshele-ke ngokukhula kwakho, wakhula njani njalo imuli yakho ime njani?
Okay, mina ngazalwa uma waba nami esasemncane, she was 17. Wase siya eJoburg kuyasebenza emakhishini, ngasala nogogo nokhulu. So ngikhuliswa ngugogo nokhulu. Ugogo bengasebenzi, so bengihlala naye lapha ePlumtree. Ukhulu bengu-headmaster eVictoria Falls eChinotimba, ebuya ngama-weekends. Ngikhule labo mamncane bami. And then I was transferred to eMhali after ukufunda kwami grade 7 emakhaya lapha koKungubo, ngatransferwa eMhali. So ngikhuliswe ngugogo nokhulu. Yes. And then ukukhula kwami was good. I went to Mthabezi Form 1 to Form 4 academically. I was just an average child. My mathematics wasn't great. That's something that we have to come through. Yes.
So singathi wawuhlala eMagwegwe?
Yes, eMagwegwe, eNyumagwegwe.
eNyumagwegwe ilokitshi lami kuma-18 khonaphana lapho engikhulele khona eTharen.
Yes. And then imayazivala izikolo Plumtree kuyahlakula.
Uyabona-ke, so siyakuzwa kakhulu. So-ke wasusuka eMthabezi mission khona ngale waqeda kwenzani khona ngale?
eMthabezi ngayenza uForm 1 to Form 4. And then also at one point in my life, Nami, I became a single parent at an early age. So I was not able to proceed with my studies. Ngoba ngaleso sikhathi umama waqala ukugula. So wagula umama, izimali zangabe zingasahlangani, nami ngase ngisenza umntwana at an early age. Yonke into nje yangathi yahlangana. So after that, I was forced to go to South Africa to fend for myself and my daughter. So ngaya ke South Africa ngafika ngasebenza as iwaiter lapha eSouth Africa. Yes.
So wawuseva abantu sibili unguwaiter ozwayo. Manje wasungena njani kulokhu imtshina phela imjikajika leyo ukuthi uyabubamba iplane lento ezinjalo, wangena njani khonokho?
Sathi sisemhali basihambise trip eLokhuzeni airport laphayana eyasebulawayo, manje bathi Joshua Mqabukho. Yes, kathe sebeyitshintsha igama. Saya e-airport, Bulawayo airport, ngafika laphana ngabona izindiza ngathi I want to be a pilot. Masi laphana badlula abantu but angiboni umfazi, ngibona amadoda. So enhlizweni yami ngithi maybe it's not for women. But uteacher mase sifika sikhuluma eklasini, liboneni, uyasho ukuthi even women can be pilots. So that's where my dream started laphana ku-school trip. So ngithi ngiliweta lapho umama waseshona. So ngingathi my dream was buried along with my mom because kwasokumele manje ngibheke abosisi bami abawu-2, abanami abayi-2, me being the eldest, and then lo mntanami. So irresponsibility besay too much ukuthi I could not raise money to be a pilot. So ngathi ayi uNkulunkulu kayenza intando yakhe ngizoyenza ubuweta. While ngiweta I would get ama customer athi don't you want to do modeling? So I did even modeling while I was doing waitering as well, because I believe ukuthi yonke into yenzayo you must do it with excellence. People will see ukuthi ubaseva ngenhliziyo enjani, une attitude unjani, mentality yakho injani. So to me, I made sure ukuthi manginabo lapha ngiyaxoxa bangibuze what is your plan, Precious? Ngibatshela ukuthi hayi mina kanje bese thina sinabantu esibaziye eDubai kune website ethile, why don't you apply and go to Dubai? So that's how from waitering I went to being a waitress as well in Dubai.
Yeah, so what usungena ku-website wagcina usungena njani, wa-connecta njani?
Ngahamba ku-OVC website, it's a non-website, nga-apply laphana for i-waitering in Dubai. Ngayenza ama-interviews wonke virtually at that time. And then I joined, ngahamba nje first time endizeni, ngahamba ngingazi nomuntu ngale, abelungu labana bafika bathi okay, siyakuthanda, start a job, but it wasn't what I had anticipated. So fika ngale sokudeduct izimali ezithile susala le nothing to send home, you know.
Yeah,
overseas, yes. But overseas you are making money kanti yo
akula next.
Yes. So ngaya laphana eDubai ngafika ngasebenza for only 3 months. Ngiqhubeke.
Yeah, qhubeka.
Mangisebenza ngiyazitshela ukuthi kumele ngisebenze ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Ngisebenze ukuthi umuntu ongibhekileyo uyakhuthazeka, uyakwazi ukungibuza ukuthi kanti uplan kwenzani ngempilo yakho kanjalo. Manje ngithe ngilaphayana bangitshela bathi Qatar Airways iyahaya. Abangani bami bathi masambe siyo ku-interview yani yase Qatar Airways. Ukuthi sibe yini ima-flight attendants, cabin crew. Ngahamba nabangani bami besi-6. Mina bengingekho that much qualified ngoba ngangicede i-O level kuphela ngisayanga nase-university. So ngahamba laphana for interview, bebefuna ugcoka ihile ethile, ugcoka impahla ezithile, bengazi nokuhamba ngehile.
Wona uhamba uyaqhubeka.
Yes, ngihamba ngathi ngiyaqhubeka, but among abangani bami laba bayi-6 bathatha mina ngedwa. So I made it to Qatar after interview leyana. Umuntu lona wathi igama lakho ngu-Precious, are you sure? Kanjani? Ngathi yes, igama lami ngu-Precious. Wangithanda lo umuntu obethatha i-interview. What, you are from Zimbabwe? Balishwana abantu baseZimbabwe kule area. So wangijabulela wasengithatha. So I worked at Qatar Airways for 5 years.